Hello, Noticias Internacional. Cristiano Ronaldo leave Manchester United. Cristiano Ronaldo is leaving Manchester United. The player announced the news of social media. He said that it was time for a life change. Ronaldo wasn't happy in the club for some time. The club's manager often uses him as a substitute. Last month, the player left the stadium before a match ended. In a TV interview, he said that he felt the club betrayed him and that he didn't respect the club's manager. Manchester United last won the Premier League in 2013, and the team couldn't find good manager. Many fans protested in recent years, and the protests delayed some matches. The club owners are considering if they will sell the clubs, probably to US buyers. The figure was substitute a player who replaced another player during a match, betrayed to be fox or unfair to someone. The right to make something happen later.